Hello, my name's Jonathan. Today's video is all about a very special moral lesson that we can all learn from one of Aesop's fables. We're going to learn about tenacity, determination and patience, all thanks to a brand new 50p coin. So, if you're sitting comfortably, let's take a closer look. Featuring the age-old fable, The Hare and the Tortoise, the East India Company have revealed this design as their first ever 50p piece. This is the first in an exciting new collection focusing on the fables told by ancient Greek storyteller Aesop. And the East India Company are known already for highly sought after exclusive coin releases. So it's no surprise that this 50p issue is going to have an extremely low edition limit. In fact, only 3,500 will be available worldwide for this new release. That's a tiny number. It's not going to be enough to meet collector demand. The first ever Winnie the Pooh coin had an edition limit of 18,000, over 5 times that of this new 50p, and that's no longer available now at the Royal Mint. But as an official distributor of the East India Company, we've been able to negotiate a special pre-release opportunity for a select number of Westminster collectors. You're one of them. So by clicking on the link in the description box below, you can sign up today to ensure that you're one of the first in line to get your hands on this brand new collectible. Let's take a closer look at this brand new issue, which already looks magnificent from the packaging alone, doesn't it? This stunning hexagonal shaped presentation box has a bespoke geometric design, which I think really elevates its overall appearance and makes it quite unique. And of course, that stunning illustration on the sleeve featuring the hare and the tortoise, the main characters of this world famous tale. So let's carefully remove that sleeve and take a look inside the presentation box. Look at that. It's truly magnificent. What a wonderful design from Hare. It's a really contemporary, engaging interpretation of this timeless tale. Slow and steady wins the race. Of course, a perfect summary of this age-old fable where ingenuity and trickery are employed to overcome a stronger opponent. Now, we're going to be reading together. We're going to take a look at this wonderful storybook that comes with the coin in just a minute. But the highlight of the coin itself really is this selective colour printing. The red ribbon, the finish line, and the victorious tortoise are so vibrant against the stunning silver-proof background. Beautiful design. The coin itself has been made from sterling silver, and it's the first ever silver 50p from the East India Company. As I said earlier, with an edition limit that's 5 times smaller than the first ever UK Winnie the Pooh silver 50p piece, and that's no longer available to purchase, this really is going to be collectible and hard to come by. We're sure to see some very disappointed collectors who are going to miss out on owning this, but this is your first look, so we're giving you the chance to sign up for priority access today. You can do that, as I said, by clicking in the link in the description box below, ensuring that you're one of the first in line to get your hands on this when it comes out. In the meantime, I want to show you this. The illustrated picture book that comes with this brand new coin, and it's a fantastic touch. If you've got any young children in the family, or you're an avid reader yourself, you're going to love this. It opens up for you to read the complete original tale, The Hare and the Tortoise. So, shall we have a read together? Once upon a time, there was a tortoise and a hare. Hare liked to brag about how fast he could run. "I'm the fastest animal in the world, nobody can beat me." Hare mocked Tortoise for how slowly he moved. Tortoise grew tired of Hare's boasting and challenged him to a race. Hare was amused by the challenge and accepted. All the animals of the forest gathered to watch as Hare raced away at the start, leaving Tortoise far behind, slowly taking step after step. "Ha ha! He's so slow he'll never catch me!" Confident of victory, Hare lay down under a tree to rest and fell asleep in the shade. But Tortoise kept plodding on, step after steady step, slowly but surely. Tortoise eventually caught up with Hare, still sleeping soundly, and then Tortoise passed Hare. Step by step, Tortoise was winning the race. As Tortoise approached the finish, the forest animals started to cheer with delight. The noise woke Hare up, who rubbed his eyes in disbelief to see Tortoise about to cross the line. Hare sprang up and started to run as fast as he could, but it was too late. Tortoise crossed the line. The race was won. The forest animals all celebrated with Tortoise, proud of his victory. Speed isn't always the best approach. By acting quickly, you can make mistakes. Sometimes you can be more successful by taking your time. A wonderful story with a powerful message that we can all learn from. It's not about rushing to the finish line, it's about taking your time with care and thought. So in addition to the East India Company's first ever 7-sided 50p and this stunning presentation box, you'll also get this charming illustrated book too. But as I've mentioned, there is a strict and staggeringly low edition limit of just 3,500 of these available worldwide. This tiny number is honestly not going to be enough to meet collector demand, so you're going to have to be a bit like the Hare here and rush. We're an official distributor of the East India Company, so we've been able to negotiate a special pre-release opportunity for you, one of our Westminster collectors. Don't miss that, will you? Click on the link in the description box below and you can sign up today to ensure that you're one of the first to get this when it's released on April the 6th. It's been a pleasure giving you a first look at the East India Company's first ever 7-sided 50p. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed today's video and you want to keep up to date with all our videos, be sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you never miss a video from us. Thank you for watching, I wish you well, and we'll see you soon.